Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Vortex. Today, we'll present an exciting comparison where we witness a showdown between two flagship phones from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the S23 Ultra. Let's start by looking at the display features. Both phones come with captivating 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screens. However, delving into details, the S24 Ultra, with its 1440 by 3120 QHD+ pixel resolution, outshines the S23 Ultra. While the screen refresh rates are the same, the S24 Ultra has a slightly superior pixel density at 505 ppi. There's also a difference in screen durability. While the S23 Ultra still uses the impressive Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the S24 Ultra takes screen durability to the next level with the new generation Corning Gorilla Armor. Don't expect dazzling design changes from last year to this year. The S24 Ultra we tested during practical use features an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in hand, with slightly rounded edges and a long rectangular structure. When it comes to size, the aluminum frame and 233-gram weight of the S23 Ultra, available in 4 different colors, draw attention. The S24 Ultra, on the other hand, is lighter than the previous year, weighing 232 grams with a titanium frame and offering various color options. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes in phantom black, cream, green, and lavender colors. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, comes in titanium gray, titanium black, titanium lavender, and titanium yellow color options. Titanium green, titanium blue, and titanium orange are available exclusively through Samsung's website. On the processor and storage front, the S23 Ultra uses the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor from last year. The S24 Ultra, however, takes this processor to the next level with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This could provide a faster and more powerful experience, especially in artificial intelligence processing. Both phones have 12 GB of RAM, with storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is designed to offer better gaming graphics without affecting battery life. Overall, this chip aims to enhance artificial intelligence, photography, gaming, audio, and more. However, we'll need to test it ourselves to see if there are significant performance gains. Both phones have powerful cameras. The S24 Ultra boasts a 200MP wide lens, 12MP ultra-wide lens, 10MP 3x telephoto lens, and a 50MP 5x telephoto lens. The S23 Ultra, on the other hand, features a 200MP wide lens, 12MP ultra-wide lens, 10MP 3x telephoto lens, and an additional 10MP 10x telephoto lens. Both devices have a 12MP front camera. The S24 Ultra stands out with its AI-supported features. Editing suggestions, generative edit, and instant slow motion, among other features, elevate the photography experience. Additionally, the S24 Ultra's cameras, especially the 50MP telephoto, offer a significant resolution increase compared to the S23 Ultra. Here are some AI-supported camera features you'll have on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Editing suggestions. AI suggests small changes to enhance each photo. Generative edit uses AI to complete parts of the background in the image. Instant slow motion presents action-packed moments in a smooth, uninterrupted, slowed-down effect. One of the biggest differences between the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the S23 Ultra is the Galaxy AI, which offers useful AI-supported features to users. Let's take a look at the new features brought by the S24 Ultra in Galaxy AI. Live translation, translator, note assistance, chat assistant, and circle to search, among other AI-supported features, enrich the user experience. However, if we exclude Galaxy AI from the equation, the most significant difference between the Samsung S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra is related to the second telephoto lens. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a second telephoto lens with 10MP and a 10x optical zoom range. Both devices have a reliable 5000 mAh battery. Among the connectivity options, USB-C is present, but neither model has a headphone jack. Thanks to fast charging support, both phones can reach full charge in 45 minutes. When it comes to price, Evaluating options shows that the starting price for the 256GB model of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is $1,299, while the starting price for the Galaxy S23 Ultra is $1,199. Finally, looking at the general features, S24 Ultra includes a titanium frame, 2600 nit display, operating system updates and security updates promised for 7 years, and futuristic features like Wi-Fi 7, 5G, mmWave, IP68 water resistance, wireless power share, integrated S Pen, UWB, and 45W wired charging. S23 Ultra features 5G, sub-6, mmWave, IP68 water resistance, wireless power share, integrated S Pen, 100x space zoom, 10x optical zoom, and 45W wired charging. The conclusion we can draw from this comparison is that the S24 Ultra offers more advanced features, stronger performance, and an enriched artificial intelligence experience. However, the decision is yours. Do you think it's worth upgrading to the S24 Ultra? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay informed about more content, don't forget to subscribe. Keep following Tech Vortex for the latest tech news and reviews, as we'll see you in the next video.